What if I told you that inside nearly every cell of your body is a code, a set of instructions that makes you, you? That code is DNA, and it's one of the most important molecules in all of life. Let's explain it, simply. 1. What is DNA? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It's the blueprint for building and running every living thing. Think of it like a recipe book that tells cells how to make proteins, the building blocks of life. Without DNA, there would be no plants, no animals, and no humans. 2. The double helix. DNA is famous for its shape, the double helix. Imagine a twisted ladder. The sides of the ladder are made of sugar and phosphate molecules. The rungs are pairs of chemical bases. Adenine, A, pairs with thymine, T. Cytosine, C, pairs with guanine, G. This simple four-letter code, A, T, C, and G, carries all the instructions of life. 3. How DNA works. DNA doesn't act alone. Sections of DNA, called genes, tell the cell how to build proteins. Proteins do almost everything. They form your muscles, carry oxygen in your blood, and even fight infections. When cells copy themselves, DNA is copied too, ensuring each new cell has the same instructions. 4. Variation and inheritance. Your DNA comes from your parents, half from your mother, half from your father. That's why you might have your dad's eyes or your mom's smile. Tiny differences in DNA make each person unique. Sometimes changes or mutations occur. Some don't matter, some cause problems, and others can create new traits that drive evolution. 5. Why DNA matters today. Understanding DNA has transformed science and medicine. It allows us to trace ancestry, solve crimes with forensic evidence, and develop treatments for genetic diseases. It's also the foundation of cutting-edge fields like gene editing and personalized medicine. DNA is the language of life. 4 simple letters, A, T, C, and G, combine to write the instructions for every living thing on Earth. Explained simply, DNA is what connects us all. To keep your mind sharp, subscribe for more big ideas explained simply.